Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about, is it possible to add creditors to your Chapter 13 bankruptcy after it's filed? It is possible to add creditors to your bankruptcy after it's filed. No, I'm talking about debt that you incurred before you filed the bankruptcy, not debt you incurred after you filed. Debt you incurred before you filed the Chapter 13 bankruptcy can be added, but once the deadline for creditors to file a proof of claim has come and passed, then it's more difficult to add creditors to your bankruptcy because they're going to argue, look, I wasn't provided notice of your bankruptcy. I wasn't able to file a proof of claim on time, which means I don't share in the distribution. I was harmed by not getting notice, and therefore I'm not part of your bankruptcy case. To avoid that outcome, make sure you get all your creditors listed to begin with, or very soon after you file. And if it were to happen where a creditor is forgotten but not added until after the deadline for them to file a proof of claim, you're probably going to need to make a deal with the creditor for them to be able to file a proof of claim as if it were timely filed and share in the distribution on the plan. It's probably going to require a modification of your plan. See your local and licensed bankruptcy attorney. Never anybody out of state, and never a paralegal. They're not licensed attorneys. When the time is right. When you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so thankful you did.